Racing just is started. We have out of the blue moving up on the outside. Now is Forest Marshall to take the lead. Perhaps Lab Pambihira. Chonange comes next. Jack Showking. Hurricane Ali. Tremendous Ethan. Then comes Best Art. And on the inside is Dragon May. While Mapagtiis is the ready trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Forest Marshall by about 4 lengths. Chonange in second, perhaps Lab moving up on the outside. Pambihira out of the blue, alongside comes Jack Showking, Hurricane Ali, Dragon May, Mapagti is Tremendous Ethan, while entry number 12 Best Art now racing in less. And on the far turn, we have entry number 8 Forest Marshall maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Chonange in second. Pambihira is racing in third. Then followed by out of the blue, Jack Showking moving up. Mapagtiis. Then comes the Hurricane Ali, Dragon May, Tremendous Ethan. Then followed by Best Art. While entry number 7 Perhaps Lab is stop running. And as they swing for home, we have Forest Marshall. This time, draws clear by about 8 lengths. Chonange in second, moving up on the outside. Mapagtiis, last 75 meters, the program opener belongs to Forest Marshall. Second is Chonange, then comes Mapagtiis, Hurricane Ali, Pambihira, and Dragon May for your Super 6.